Hello everyone and welcome into your live stream. Hi there! Hi there everyone. Hi there Rollo. Hi there Marius Bogdan. Hi there Tazga the Wanderer. Hi! Hi there. And today we will actually start by printing something. Actually, believe it or not. You should believe it, because that's where we're gonna start. Don't doubt me, honestly. Probably guys. City. Greeting from Battlefield. Where's that static? Hi, this is Panzer. What do you mean from Battlefield? Where are you? That is in fact the electric kettle, yeah. It's boiling the water, but I'm trying to open up SolidWorks, but it's really not cooperating. Alright, there we go. Why make it echoes? Do I echo? I shouldn't be echoing. Near Moscow. You know what? Good for you. I'm not gonna question that. Just good for you. My SolidWorks is absolutely dead. Oh, I need to restart it. There we go, my water boil fixed. Lovely. Where's my cup? There it is. There we go.
Hello.
Hi there, Katsi.
Did I scare you?
No, I was expecting you. Why is my SolidWorks broken again? Why does it solid doesn't? Unbelievable.
Solid ain't.
Solid ain't.
I had a dream after our yesterday long night fucking conversation. It can only be described as a fucking reasonable fucking next step.
Don't say that, by the way. Listen, I am all for using the word fucking and curses in general in order to access the end point. But don't ever say after our last night fucking and then pause for half a second to say conversation.
It wasn't even on purpose at this point.
I can hear
I
how
mean-
hot that water is. Yeah, it's my water. Obviously, it's hot.
I mean, you've been there. You know what it was about.
Yeah, music.
So I had a dream, and the dream was that
Katsi.
I've become a
Fats Chassis, before you go on, you do realize this is a live stream, right? I just want to make that clear before you.
yeah.
Okay,
I'm not gonna say.
it's fine. Yeah, it's
The
fine. I
dream
just
was-
want just in case.
Listen, the dream was that I've started making OnlyFans.
Good for you.
Apparently, which, you know what? I mean, it probably honestly, I feel like if I made OnlyFans, I would make more money than you on YouTube.
I
That
can't
is
really
just the
disagree
nature
though.
of,
Yeah.
you know?
I mean, yeah, fine. This stream just began. Oh, fucking hell. SolidWorks finally opened, by the way. This entire time, it's just been opening. That took a really long time. Alright, brilliant.
I am glad I'm bringing all the moods up.
Autistic
Well.
Panzer already says that they would subscribe to lol JK unless. Yeah, no, sure, you totally wouldn't subscribe. Yeah, I would totally also would. I totally wouldn't subscribe either. I mean, come on.
Of course.
I am planning a chess game made in Python. Drunk Magnus's dream. Huh.
Okay.
Good for you. I don't know. Why not? Hold on. No, oh, don't perceive feature recognition. It fucks everything up. Oh, whatever. Right here, I need to export this. You know, you really piss me off. Ready models. So we're gonna start with good old-fashioned printing. Now this is once again gonna be one of those prints that's gonna take 7,000 tries. Because it's so fucking annoying. Face. I'm gonna call it face.
Are you printing the mask again?
Yeah. I feel like it's all I'm doing nowadays.
Why?
Because
What happened?
I need the backup. You'll see. That will be the second portion of the stream. Unless the print will take 4 hours, in which case, well, whoops.
Oh, are you putting the first one in acid or something?
The obvious, the obvious course of action. Well, first I need a 4D renderer. What do you mean a 4D renderer, Artistic Panzer? Can you check the equation works? V is equal to C times M times cosine of tangent of C times sine cosine UC. Okay, when you ask me, can you check if this equation works? In what context is it meant to work? Because you have to realize that despite despite the rumors of me being omniscient as such, I don't actually know everything. And so when you give me a bunch of random letters, I don't actually know what they stand for. Because I don't live in your head yet. You'll see. Eventually we'll get there. Okay, no, this is absolutely terrible. Now we need to prepare angle. Auto hybrid. Was it 40 or was it 30?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Okay, these supports will be an absolute bitch to remove, but I mean... Oh yeah, because there's a hole in... Why is there a hole? Why is there 2 holes? Oh, I forgot that to press the magical repair model button, which just fixes everything. Obviously.
Yeah. There's pressure just repaired it, lol. It will work.
Damn it, the repair button broke it even further.
Or will it?
When I press
There's
my...
more holes. And that's surprisingly a bad thing.
Yeah, when I press my repair button, it's meant to fix everything without me having to work in any way, shape or form. Why is there a hole in there? He said. Why is there a hole? Why are there two holes? Yeah, dat is ik van, yeah. Exactly. I'll check myself out. No, these are just what the streams have become, you know? Might as well embrace it. Now, the question...
I wouldn't surprise with my horse, you know?
I would be aware. Brilliant, yeah. Okay. Take another hit. Why is this not doing anything? Because hold on. This is the same exact mask that we've been working with before. And correct me if I'm wrong, the last one didn't have a random hole temple.
Yeah. Is it because you like imported it or something? I don't fucking know, man. Yo.
Okay. Mickey, I'm just saying, do not condone testing on live cards. However, Katsi is too good of a tester to pass up on acid-proof cat project. I feel like the durability test on... I'm not even gonna... No, whatever. I refuse to deliver the punchline.
The durability test.
Can you check if this equation works? C is the speed of light, U is the initial velocity, M is mass, F is force. Oh, goodness gracious me. Okay, there are a couple problems that are complex thing. You see, what you have to realize is we are not dealing with the same context as you're dealing with. So when you ask me if the equation you came up with works, first of all, in what mode? I'm assuming you're doing something relativistic. Second of all, do you want me to perform an experiment and measure the velocity? Because otherwise, it's just a matter of comparing this to already existing equations and seeing if it's equal. Which I'm assuming, since you in some kind of way, shape or form had to arrive at that equation, you would be in a much easier position to do, because I don't know how you derived it. Okay, why is this such a... I mean, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Alright, now, I don't want the hole. I am fully aware of how many people think that I am gay for some reason. And this probably isn't helping, but I still don't want the hole. Just piss off with the hole. Oh, how am I supposed to fix that? There are so many of them. Why didn't have holes in the previous prints? Goodness gracious me.
Yeah.
The song I'm listening to, which you're familiar with, starts with a meow sound, and you honestly matched it really perfectly.
Oh.
The printer is haunting you, make it. Something is not haunting me, only horsing around. Why are you like this?
What's the sound?
You'll never believe. You'll never guess.
Yeah.
Wait,
I
could
guess
it
go
be?
one. Hold on, this is something else up.
No. Could it be that? No, this should work based on the same exact model. So let me just try to export it maybe into STL. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe when I export into step, it's just more precise and it actually adds in all the holes. There we go, STL. Let's try doing the same exact thing with STL. What's the definition?
Oh, this song. Okay, yeah, I see.
Huh?
I knew some young stuff there.
Where are the holes coming from?
You should ask Theo a question. See? There's more jokes than just the obviously gay ones.
The obviously gay ones. There are also the secretly gay ones.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, there's still there. Okay, v is equal to c times m times cosine. Wait, why are you multiplying? There are so many things. I'm assuming you derived it from EMC squared because I don't see how. Usually, when it comes to relativistic velocities, you don't multiply by c. You usually divide it by c everywhere. Oh, but then it's the negative first power. Jeez, that equation is. Okay,
Wait,
hold on. Right.
negative first v is 1 over x. Man, it's a better way to write that. Maybe I don't know, maybe I'm stupid.
Hold on, let's first focus on one thing, one problem at a time. Why is the mask broken? Well, we can actually use the old model because I'm not even gonna question why it sometimes exports correctly, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not gonna look the gift horse in the mouth, alright? I'm just gonna take the gift horse and
You don't
Hit
wanna
myself.
look the gift cats in the hole.
give cats in the horse. Where's the old one?
No, the pet does not fill the holes. It fucking bricks the printer every time.
No, no, Pecci is the good one. The TPU is the one that breaks the printer.
Oh yeah, TPO is the bad one, okay.
Where's the mask model? What did I fucking print? I have the skeletons, I have the connectors beam. I just cannot find, for the life of me, I cannot find the mask. Is it in the other mask folder? It might be.
Mask folder.
Yeah. In one of my 7 million folders. Back row. No, not back row. That's not the right one. Front STL? I think it might be the one.
Oh.
This doesn't have any holes in it. Just the way I like it. Make news mask then. No, the mask is proper. The only issue is that it's just broken. I know it doesn't make sense. Shut up. Alright, don't question me.
Make it make sense.
There we go. This actually, why did I print it like upwards when this is such an obviously better way to print it on the side?
Oh.
It can be so much more stable.
That's sexy, I mean.
Yeah, like imagine the rest of them make it just I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Alright, but the only issue is that right here we'd rather lay it on this face. Oh, this might cause it to be. Well, never mind. It's still spot only from one side. That looks like it's gonna fall over. I don't mean to be that guy, but it definitely looks like it's gonna fall over. Is it rough the one I'm thinking of?
What you mean?
Oh, what was the base pattern defaults? What was the name of the thing? You know, the thing.
The thing that does the thing.
Yeah, the thing that does the thing. It wasn't a skirt. Yeah, no, the skirt is this. Which I honestly don't know what the point there is. It's not even connected, but whatever. 10. Just change the thing. Just get wider. Let me just go for 30. Let's go for crazy, like 30. See if that does nothing. Yes! That's the one I meant. Yes! Brilliant. Right. Now I can get rid of the skirt. It's not necessary.
I would say skirt is very necessary.
So that goes. Oh. Alright. Now let's just hope that it won't fall over. And send this sucker. Which means that, yeah, we do need to wait 4 hours, then we can do the thing that I really want to do this stream. Oh shit, I forgot to take out the previous prints. From the printer. I almost overprinted. Okay, there we go. Now that this is going, did my files finish copying? I think they did. Splendid. Which means that I can actually live in the camera. Why are hot dogs called hot dogs? I would like to. I would genuinely like to know what was the thought process of the person who came up with
Random
that name.
topic. No reason to start a topic whatsoever.
It's a good. I told you already. It's a good song. The lyrics just fucking vex me.
They are just fucking. Even wrong.
Yeah. Right. Shut up. Doesn't matter. The point is. What do we want to do today? I am so glad you asked. You see. LEDs is the main thing, because what we're going to do is we're going to print the mask, and then we're going to get the LEDs, and then we're going to connect them all. Also, another thing, I realized that when it comes to the UV LEDs, which means these ones right here, I have a little lovely piece of paper that says that they are from 3.6 to 3.9 volts. And wouldn't you believe it, it just so happens that before the live stream yesterday, I stuck those, not before the live stream yesterday, after the live stream, but before this live stream, but yesterday, it doesn't matter, you get the idea. I stuck these into the charger, which means that they no longer provide 3.535 volts, only they provide 3.7, which is enough to power this LED, which means that if I right now take these two wires, plug them in, the entire back is connected together, which leads me to believe this won't actually work. Huh. Okay, it's fine. I can figure something out. I just need to hold it all together with my bare hands. The way it was intended.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not gonna shock myself. It ain't enough electricity. So. Right. Let's do it.
Those hands.
I ain't gonna get heads or elections anyway. Exactly. Now, to everyone watching, Well, mainly just warning to me because everyone watching will be fine, but basically, normally you shouldn't be looking directly at it, which is a problem because I need to look directly at it in order to plug in the cables properly. And that's because it's a UV light, which, you know, all those warnings they always give you.
Can you just wear sunglasses?
No, it doesn't work anyway. Oh shit!
Or you can just.
Yup, nope, that is. Remember I said it wasn't working? Well, let's see then, huh?
Just get sunglasses, please. I beg.
Don't tell me what to
Or
do.
just-
Okay?
It's for your safety of your eyes.
If I wanted safety of my eyes, then I would be. What? Then I would be doing this.
Okay.
Why are you being such a bitch? Why am I doing it with two cables of different lengths? That's so much more difficult. Now the age-old question. Did I burn it or am I just not plugging it correctly?
Honestly, I wouldn't mind at this point.
I would, because I only have one other one. There we go! You can see it's flashing. The point is this fluorescent, this UV, it works. Brilliant, okay. So,
I hope you never do that again.
no, don't worry, I'm gonna do it again this stream. But,
Oh my.
the point is, in the mask, we'll want to install two of the UV ones, two of the comically bright ones. I have three, just in case I break one of them. And you know the typical LEDs and such.
Why are you installing a light that will kill people in your mask?
Because it will be pointing outwards. It's not my problem then. That's a problem of
I
whoever
know
stands in
that's
front of me.
illegal.
Make it. Are we running a tire shop in the same room, or how the fuck is printer making industrial grade compression mounts? Is this your first stream with Danny printing? Because we've been printing with Danny for how long now actually? How long has Danny been working for? Whatever. That much.
Industrial grade compressor mounts is a binder line.
Doesn't matter. The point is, the print I took out of Danny before printing the mask is this right here, and those are in fact the speaker housings. And yeah, I also did assemble this. I don't even remember if I assembled on stream or off stream, but the point is, this is what they're supposed to look like, and this is what they will look like. But first, we need to dismantle this one. Also, no, but I always forget to ask. I'm glad you were sitting here for such a long time then. The printer printer was a bit too much. It's a big printer, right? I don't know what to tell you. Give me more for all my friends. This will never end. Okay. There we go. Splendid. Now I'm just gonna throw these away into my scrap pile of all the different KG stuffs. There we go. And then make the next lab video mask segment start with an IKEA manual for assembly of a mask. I would need to make a manual then. I prefer to make stuff on vibes alone, you know? Okay, brilliant. The reason why I printed these, actually you'll see, because we'll need to design the next part for them. Look to uptight, you know.
Manual? I prefer the automatic.
Manual. I love his music.
What? Whatever.
Lin Manuel Miranda.
I don't know who that.
That's better.
Does he make gay? He probably is gay, isn't he? I wanna know.
He's an actor that played in a couple of episodes of House and D. Guess who he is.
Oh. Okay, well, I have a guess who he is, yeah. Terrible joke.
Alright, there we go. Oh my goodness, this print is anything but clean. And I am using the shortest screws I technically can for this. Because I don't want to use my long ones.
Yeah, you're gonna say your long screws for, you know.
Miranda writes. Yeah, Lin-Manuel Miranda writes. Guy who was in house, nothing more, nothing less, no musician, no songs, no nothing. Yeah, I mean, no, he did sing in house, and he used to like rap in house, I do believe. You know, it was when house was in the mental institution, you know, because he was an addict. Then he met Lin-Manuel Miranda, and he was like rapping all the time. Yeah, that's what everyone knows him for, right?
Okay.
There we go.
Aren't these the shoulder pads?
These are the
Probably
shoulder
silly.
pads, yeah. Well, these are the housing for the speakers for now. But
They go on the shoulders.
They do go on the shoulders, yes. Because I'm
Are you putting towards the shoulders?
I've already run out of space on my head to put speakers on, so we're already expanding. That was the first one. Where's my screwing box?
Shut up, Gatsy.
Okay, no, I say it as a joke, but genuinely, where is it? Hold on. That's kind of important. Listen, I'm not really one for screwing. Oh, it's right here. I am just. Shut up, everyone. Shut up! Shut up!
Wow, are you screwing with me?
Listen, I'm not one for screwing, but the screwing box is something I actually quite need. Alright, this has to be pointing up once again. Fortunately, I did screw it correctly the first time. Because when I screw something, I screw it right on the first try.
Wait, I had an epiphany about hot dogs. No reason whatsoever.
Took you long enough. This entire time
Hot dogs. Named after winter dogs. Or are winter dogs named after hot dogs?
What came first, chicken or the egg?
Yeah.
This is what it must have felt like to be just in ancient Greece listening to the philosophers, you know? The important conversations they've been having. Behold the man.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I messed it up actually, or if... I think I did. Oh well, whoops happens. Oh no, this is just bent out of shape. Whoops happens again. Not my problem. That's the problem of the plastic. It's gonna be holding it up.
Yeah.
Yup.
Are you at the point when you remember the lyrics?
Not all of them. But a lot. You know, you really piss me off. That's the one that hits, that, you know, is most relatable. It just stuck in my head.
Relatable.
You know, you really piss me off. I usually like singing songs I listen to. And so whenever...
But this one is...
Yeah, when I listen to that one, I just wait for you know, where there are multiple people. Holy shit, there are multiple people singing at the same time different lyrics. I can add it to that playlist.
Oh, yeah, they are. Yeah, there's the part right there.
Which came first? The make it or the cutscene? Tazga, that's a good joke. I want to be
Right.
mad at you for saying it, I really do. But I like, but that's a really good joke that I just completely didn't notice. I could have said it.
Yeah, I
Good for
completely
you.
messed up too.
My goodness, good for you.
It. That's brilliant.
Well, let me put them on my shoulders. See how far away they have to be. Okay, so like this. So I would say, where's my measuring didgeridoo? There you are. Okay.
Your calipers that definitely work all the time.
They almost work sometimes. It's good enough. Let's try 15. And then the point is that we'll be able to solder the wires upwards. They'll go onto my chest, or even better onto my back, onto my spine. Then they'll go up into the back of the mask, and then onto the mask, and then into the audio amplifier.
Alright.
Simple as it could be. Full shoulder. Okay.
Where the wires coming from?
The speakers into the audio amplifier. So they will connect my shoulders. Hold on, let me just. I can just. What am I doing? I can draw it for you.
Okay.
Okay. So imagine to make it, right? Actually, no, we're gonna do it on the big make it. More space. So, basically... Oh, actually, I don't even know what that make it is, but good for them. Basically... Let's go with this one.
Yeah, once you decide which one you're gonna use.
Alright, there we go.
Yeah.
So, basically, I'm gonna have my speakers like right here, right? This will be the shoulder things. Then the wires will go over onto my back. Thank goodness that the 3D cursor is absolutely... No,
Not where you want to be.
There we go. Okay, now I fixed it. It was just snapping to the 3D cursor on the surface. Alright, so have one right here, one right here. There we go. And then the wires will go onto the back, like so. Right? They will connect onto the spine, go onto the back of my head, and then using the same straps that will be holding up the mask, they will go, wait no, not this way, to the mask, like this, and right here there will be an audio amplifier. Simple.
Okay.
Imagine
Yeah,
make
yeah.
it. Heck, imagine to make it. Yeah, not wrong. Yeah, that's the basic idea. But for that, first we need to open recent.
This is to open up.
I bring to open up. We're doing a psychological exercise right now. Everyone, I'll need you to open up. Okay, so this is the
Hello.
speaker. Hi, the macaroni. How you doing? Then what I need to do is I need to measure the height. So we'll have like 12. Remember that, everyone. Remember that. It's crucial that you remember that.
Huh?
Do you remember
Right,
that?
13.
Mods, kill him now. Jeez, that was low. Okay. But this size has to be... $45. That would make sense. It's usually some kind of reasonable number. So 45. Struggling. It's struggling like crazy, and I don't even know why. I don't really have anything heavy open in the background. So this will have to be 11. Brilliant. And then the crucial thing here will be that we'll select all of these edges. And then this one, and then this. It froze. Brilliant. Profiles? Yes. We don't have a guide curve though. Can you just work? Must be either planar or 3D facial surfaces. Okay, so can I just... This is... The instructions are extremely unclear, but alright. This. Lofted lofted boss base, yeah. Better to have a good job with a bad boss and a good bad with a job boss. And then this edge has to connect. Can you just... Can I select this as a boundary of the face? No. Alright. I'm just delete all these then. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea what that shape is even meant to be. But this doesn't work.
It's a Lego stud.
No.
No, not the shape I made, the yellow one. I don't get why that is there. Am I just supposed to do it by having a square? Oh, I think that is how I'm meant to do it. Oh. Or just like... this. And then this sketch. Lofted boss base. Up to this one. Yes! That is correct. I don't know why I'm spending so much time and effort on it. I mean, it's just... Yeah, whatever. Let me get my measuring distributor again.
What is it stand for?
That is the speaker.
Okay.
Just 12. Then we have a smaller one for 3mm smaller one, and then a centimeter. $3mm. 3D printer sounded like a robot. It is a robot. I don't know what... I mean... It sounds like... Because it is. It very much is. I mean, look at it.
Clanker.
You're housing a clunker, aren't you?
This is why it sounds like a robot. Okay. 3mm, I do believe is what I said.
We have lost him to the Clanker sympathizers.
I'm
There's no more saving him.
a clunker utilizer. Happy...
Make print 300 strokes.
You're a woman, I said, not objectify. Exactly. I don't objectify women, I womanize objects.
What?
Alright, I know that sounds bad, but hear me out. Jeez, I remember which stream you're referencing, Lycan, by the way. It was the stream at my old place when I had Susie behind me. I was trying to explain to everyone what Susie is. There we go. See, this looks like a speaker, roughly. Kinda. No, it doesn't matter. It's meant to be a rough trip anyway. Now the point is...
Girl, I barely know her.
Okay, let me have a thunk. Movie robot. You won't may be surprised to learn, complex thing, that movie robots actually, like all the sounds they make, they're based on real life robots.
What?
You sounded so genuine, the macaroni.
What? What do you mean? They're movie robots. They make movie robot noises, not real life robot noises.
Did you know that the movie robots became so popular they actually made some robots in real life?
I mean, yeah, that's just obvious.
Next thing you know, Makeit's gonna become the Will Smith and reenact the plot of iRobot entirely with 3D printers.
Blackface.
I-
Finally.
I do it, that's not the part that we are focusing on, macaroni.
Make the blackface
I,
arc.
I do it.
finally.
I do it all the time. I take up like a sledgehammer and I walk over all my printers, right? And then I just smash them with the sledgehammer. And if one of them tries to dodge, like that's how I know. I do it like once a week.
You
Yeah.
definitely smashed them. I don't know about the sledgehammer part.
Shut up.
Aw.
Clunk, 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 crouch. Yeah. Okay. Now all I need is. Do we have the holes at correct distances? Roughly-ish.
Are my holes at correct distances?
I think I put my antidepressants dose too high.
That's the Make It live stream, everyone. This is what everyone's come to expect. This, I think it is the right size. I can remeasure. Okay, so one of these holes is what's the distance from the edge. Semi-bowling, it seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a hole. Will Smith it. Will Smith Will Smith. Find out next episode. This make is gonna become real robot make gyro piston sound. Complex fake. Are you right now? I'm sorry, just so I can make this clear. Is your argument right now that my real robot isn't making real robot sounds, and instead is making movie robot sounds?
Yes.
All right. Hold on.
Flawless logic. What can I say?
Let me just.
Can't find a flaw in this logic.
And it's 2 center lines.
Fungus. Scrumptious. Mithric works better prepared to get his ass beat.
3D printer is not a robot. What do you mean 3D printer is not a robot?
That's a
What?
robot. 3D printers are robots. They're clankers. That's why you gotta use clanker assisted.
Printing.
That's why. Yeah,
Now it's up.
Yeah.
Clanker assisted
Yeah.
design. That's what we're looking for.
clanker assisted design to operate them, and that's why it's called clanker assisted machining. When you use one.
Yeah, yes, I made
why
my
then-
mask using cam.
Why there's a button to just fill all the holes? Because Hunter is not filling the holes.
What?
Okay, this has to be 5, right? That's what I said.
That's what he
Maybe.
said.
That's what he said.
That's what he said. Certainly.
Okay, brilliant. Now this. Can I select multiple things to know about? No, I can only select one. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Yo.
Yeah, I know.
Can I get a less than 3 in chat?
How
The
about,
best we can do is colon free.
how about 2? That's less than 3.
Can I get a greater than 3?
Oh.
What?
Okay.
Do we have any greater than 3s? Any greater than 3s? Greater than 3. We're also taking less than 3s. Just 3. Alright. That's not where the
Greater
options
than
start
column
off,
3.
but alright.
We can order
Let's go.
Gatsby.
Alright, we got a greater than 3.
Man.
Is there a less than 3? Do we have a less than 3?
We have a column 3. Column 3 joins
have a
the
column three.
We're greater column 3. Oh yeah.
Ooh, man, we have
Less than
less
3.
than
Yeah.
3.
Tasgard joins in. All right. Well, again, Tasgard just has covered all the options. Hi, Makit. I watched your video about chemical bonds. Amazing video, by the way. Oh, thank you. And I have a few questions about the topic, if you don't mind. Nah, I don't mind. Don't worry about it. Right now I'm doing something that doesn't require all that much mental effort, so that would be splendid
That's
time.
why we're here.
Yeah.
To train your brain power.
I mean, it's rare that I actually do stuff that require mental effort.
Catsy sucks up brain power like it's like a vampire sucks up cum.
I think it's blood. Hey, it's blood.
No. You see,
Don't
Come
no
on,
okay
it's
no
way more
stop
life
before
than
you
blood.
keep going. I just want to let you know that there isn't a single person on the planet that would care enough to argue this point with you. Like, you know how
that's why I'm arguing it.
it's like a hedgehog, you know? Like a hedgehog might be nice to eat for some kind of carnivorous animal, but the spikes, it's not worth it. Like, this could be a point someone would like to argue, but it's not really, you know.
That's why I'm arguing it because nobody else will.
Can I not just look at faces?
I need to bring balance to the force.
The gay vampire who sucks your dick.
Yes. When you cover your entire body in garlic. Garlic
Okay.
oil, except your.
Oh my god.
Why isn't this selecting? Oh, it is now. Okay, so I just have to turn it off, turn it back on. Splendid.
God, I love diabolical on screen.
A machine resembling a human being able to replicate certain human movements, functions automatically is the definition of a robot.
No.
Yeah, that's the definition number 1. Have you have you thought about looking at definition number 2? Because the first one, that's I'm gonna be honest with you, complex thing. This is like a typical normal human society definition. But the second one is how people who deal with robots define it. What's the type of energy you were talking about bonds form? Is it potential but just electromagnetic? It is in fact potential. Not quite electromagnetic. No, electromagnetic would suggest that there is an electromagnetic interaction happening there, they're holding them together, but that's not really it. What's actually holding it together is like the electron itself. Okay.
Power of love.
Okay, so think about it this way, because this is actually fairly easy to explain. When you have an ionic bond between two different ions, right? Then what's holding them together is the charges. Or in other words, unless I am fairly wrong right now, what happens is you just have virtual photons between them that, you know, just hold them together. In a covalent bond, however, you don't have virtual photons holding them together, so you know, carrier particles of electromagnetism, only you have electrons, only you have electrons holding them together, which are not carrier particles of electromagnetism. So it is potential energy, but not quite electromagnetic. This is why I should have started the whole series of particle physics, but that's irrelevant. Okay. This.
Yeah.
Oh. Why is my PC running so slowly? What's eating up all of my stuff? OBS Studio. Firefox.
I'm eating all your RAM.
Katsi, spit out my RAM!
Yum yum.
Give it back.
I'm gonna eat the puke.
No, I swallow all your RAM, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I
that's why I'm
respect-
gonna eat the puke when you're gonna puke out the ram.
Can we just have one normal live stream, I beg you? Okay, and from entropy perspective, why is it better to form a bond? Entropy's perspective? Well, I haven't mentioned that at all. Entropy is rough, I'll be honest with you. I'll be brutally honest with you, Kadosa. I am more of a quantum mechanics kind of person than statistical thermodynamic kind of person. So that one I won't be able to answer quite as much, unfortunately. I know what you mean with chemical reactions not only prioritizing the energy, but also how like entropy is more important than energy. Increase in entropy is more important than loss in energy. But in this case, I don't have an answer for you. Or actually, wait, wouldn't be the equation? Wait, what was the equation? Delta H. Oh, the three deltas that you get in order to figure out if a reaction is favorable or not. I don't remember. The point is, energy definitely prefers it, and entropy isn't against it. Okay, this and this right here, we need to mate them. Shut up, Katsi. We need to mate them like so. Flip it. Brilliant. And now here's where the pickle comes into play. That's because we need to take this and this, no wait, this right here, and then the bottom one, so this one. That doesn't look great, but I'm gonna trust it. Okay, that looks wrong on so many levels.
Yeah.
Like this. This doesn't look right in any way, shape, or form. Like this. And I guess I need to look at it myself. No way to satisfy my curiosity. In this case, as I mentioned, I've been talking about singular molecules, you know, singular bonds. And so I haven't found a good way to rope in entropy into this. Oh damn it, I messed this one up. Wait, no I didn't. Let's go. Wait, does it have to be smaller? Oh, it does. I see. Okay. What is the distance between the holes? Shut up! I saw you on mute. 40. Okay, so it's 40.
Doing the picture for reference.
No, thank you.
That's a joke, chat. I would never show my nudes.
Okay. Instead of 36, let's try 40.
Meow.
Oh! Oh! Fiddlesticks.
Do not work.
No, it's blue. Oh, fiddlesticks.
Uh-oh.
Fortunately, if I do one
Can you
millimeter-
stop fiddling this thing?
I'm just fiddling. I think it's a music's thing, I don't know. Right.
He's a fiddler.
Now in this case, let's do 40. Jesus, it's really slow. It's really struggling. Brilliant. So there we have it. I don't think we're built. There should be, in fact, a distance of 40 between the medals, shouldn't there?
Meow.
This to this. That is 40, alright. And what is this to this? 46. Well, that is very much not. That's very much incorrect. Wait, 46? How is that 46? Did it just not rebuild? It might have just not rebuilt. It's edge to edge, right? No, yeah, that's correct. This has to be 30. Hold on. Plus 3, so plus 6.
It's to edge.
34. Don't have a zero. Alright, bye, like and bye, have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
34 on each one. Yeah, once we do 34 on each one, this should be correct. Complex thing, quick question. Have you studied chemistry? made the appropriate connections, and there we have it. Say high school chemistry does not count. That's not why I'm asking. I'm asking specifically complex thing in this case. Because complex thing is speaking in a way that makes it seem as if they know a lot about the topic. Which, I am 16. I know complex thing, trust me. I'm aware that you're young. The thing is, complex thing, you're speaking with a very, let's say, confident and explainer kind of tone. And the issue there is that if you are speaking with that kind of tone when you don't actually know much about the topic, then that's a very easy way to spread misinformation, which is something I don't want to happen on my live streams. That is the reason why I just said that I do not know how entropy factors into the bonds. It's simply because I don't know, and it's better to just say that you don't know than to spread misinformation. And in your case, since you are 16, I doubt that you actually know how this works. But first I asked, because I don't know, maybe you are actually specializing in chemistry. But considering how your answer is that you're 16, I don't think that is the case. And with that in mind, there we go. This is the speaker. As you can see, striking resemblance. Now the reason why we did this is because we have a full shoulder right here, and then we can start a new assembly.
And then it's going to be yellow. It's not a fully part.
Oh yeah, I suppose I should make it zero.
Or like purple, I guess. No?
Yeah, hold on, I'll make it.
Something.
I'll make it yellow. Shoulders. Right. Can I make it yellow in the first ever part and then just have it carry over? Because not gonna lie, that would save me a fair bit of effort.
I think I'll go and then
Alright. See ya.
see you.
Bye.
Ah, splendid. It worked. Okay.
Just two of us it again.
I'm not comfortable with this. Okay, right here.
Oh. You're such a hard scrub.
Right here. What do we need to make? No, advice can only do the clone. Adrian, I'm sorry to hear that, but just shut up, Cutsy. Just shut up. No. I specialize in physics. Don't say specialize, say you're interested in physics. That's a bit different. Specialize, when you say, I know that it's very pedantic, but unfortunately words really matter. The big part why I'm, so against the usage of the word philosophy is because of the weight that people get sometimes when they shouldn't be given it. So basically, when you say you're specialized in physics, what an average person would hear is that you have studied physics specifically. Which is different from saying that you're interested in physics, and that is that you just research fun physics topics on your own. When you say specialized, that makes it very formal and seems like there's a lot of formality and like you've gone through a rigorous process of, I don't know, working on your master's degree or something like that. Words really do matter in these kinds of contexts, because you don't want to mislead people. Okay, now what we're going to do is right here, we're going to add another cut. I could do it without the cut, I could just do it on the other side, but this is just, I'll be honest, this is just easier. Not that can help more. There we go, features, cut. Splendid. That's the one. Is the arch left? No arch, right? Brilliant. Hi Megan, what are you doing? I'm doing what I always do, making! And this time, we're working on the mask. Although I don't know if I even should call it a mask, considering how right now I am making shoulders for my mask, so, you know. It's...
This is a whole armor.
I am Iron Manning right now. I am Tony Starking. Okay, brilliant. And then if I recall correctly, the distance between these, I want it to be, let's just call it 12.5, so 125. My printer won't be able to print that, because we need effectively connecting line from here to here. Actually, if the distance between these two would be 125, what's the total distance then? This is 40. We could just calculate that. It seems an event by mattress companies so you can buy their mattresses. That's true, yeah. Why did I open up another paint? My PC is struggling as is. We have one rectangle, the other, that's the other one, the other one, the other one. Then the total length of the bar would be x, where x is equal to, and then right here is where we have the holes. This. So here we have the L, this would be the D, because why not? And then to the edges. Actually, we don't need the edges, so let's just do L plus 2D. Then the place for holes right here would be simple, because then we can just do our usual pattern. D away from each other. Okay, this could be alright. Which means that this would be 40, right? Yes. I have a friend that knows make it too. Like, you mean know me on YouTube, or you mean know me personally? Because if your friend knows me personally, then I think your friend might be lying to you. That's why I'm gonna watch a video you recommended. No scene suggestion after the stream. Oh, what video did you recommend to you? You tell me, I can let you know if I think it's a good video or not. The particles one. Oh, the elementary particles. Elementary particles was my favorite video for quite a long time. So I would add that one. I give a pass. He doesn't know personally though. Yeah. I mean, that's good. At least they're not lying to you. I really like the particles one. At the time when I made the particles video, it was my favorite video I've ever made. Okay. Right here we need a bar. Like this. The height will very obviously have to be 6 would be the standard, but I think we can go for 10. And the reason why I think we can go for 10 is because it's gonna snap easily. So, let's say 125 plus 80, that would be 205. Oh, damn it. That's big. That's not great. We can modify the sketch right away. So that we'll have 2, 3, and 4. midpoint to the circle. To the midpoint. To the midpoint. Beautiful. Now they're all beautiful. Construction and horizontal. Oh no, they're talking about French cities. Okay. This will be 40, and the other one will be 3. Definitely 3. Why do people censor French? Oh no. Let's just say I have strong opinions. Oh no, this cannot be a midpoint. Oh, and Kat's left. Kat's just left the stream. Oh no. I just realized I messed it up so badly. Well, not too badly. I just need to delete this. And this.
Yeah.
Welcome back. Why is this running so slowly? Killing me. Okay. Okay, we can move the entire thing, that's fine. Because now, if we just extrude the thing, there we go. Splendid. Now let's see how it's gonna look. I genuinely will need to figure out something to call it, because calling it my mask is becoming more and more inadequate with every passing day.
What do you mean?
Like when I'll start, when I'll start just... Actually, maybe screw it. Maybe I should keep calling it my mask. Just adding, adding shoelaces to my mask. That's not a great sign. Not a great sign at all.
You gender changers. Yeah.
Oh, well, this looks like it would fit. What is the problem? What do you mean? Oh, you are joking.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh is the right response here.
Do it not fit? Oh.
What do you mean no, it doesn't fit? Look at that. What's like a micrometer or something?
Floating point error, fucking mistake.
Oh, that is ridiculous. Oh, by the way, it's also too close to the top. Yeah, let's put that.
Oh,
Yeah, it is. Okay. Show me. Oh no, this is a midpoint. Brilliant. What is the distance? It's gonna be some kind of irrational number, right? 3.4? Let's see.
why so rational?
No, it's garbage, obviously. It is.
What?
I just like the conversation that's happening in chat right now. I'm not gonna interfere. You all just have your fun.
Oh, let's see.
Make it. Yes, that is my name. What you need? Are you from the UK? I mean, honestly, I like the mystery right now. I like that none of you appear to know where I'm from. I feel like you need to speculate a bit more.
He's from Argentina.
I need to, don't spoil anything. I need to wait and see what you come up with, you know?
I feel like he's Arab.
Yeah. Arab,
thickens.
UK, yes, plot thickens. He's
Like,
surely
it
from
shows
Europe. I
everybody.
mean, okay,
Perfect Arabic.
he's surely from Europe. Like, yeah, no way I'm from Europe, but like,
You're from Europe? Nah, no way.
Talska shush, Adrian shush.
I don't remember.
I wanna see where this
you
goes.
being an Europe nation. What do you mean?
I wanna see where this goes.
Okay.
Okay, in this case, the distances I unfortunately ever slightly messed up because they're irrational. Just be rational. Okay, there we go. Now I'm pretty certain it's close enough, the whole 40 business, which means I should be able to just, instead of specifically mating it to the hole, instead of mating the hole, we're gonna mate the plate.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're trying to do some docking here, and I feel like this could help.
Sure. Tell me more.
Please select the mate type. I don't know. Oh, what are your problems? Why do you always have so many problems? Can you really not have this line be there? How does that even work? Genuinely, how does that even work? These should be parallel. Are they not? Oh, that's confusing. Make his face too handsome for you to handle. Yeah, my videos would just instantly get demonetized, you know?
The chat discussion on where you could be from is legendary.
I like it.
This is brilliant.
Okay. I messed this up.
Well, can you mess it back down?
I don't know. Because apparently these two are not parallel. And he's not from Antarctica. Don't spill my secrets! Okay. So apparently it had to break a lot of other mates in order to satisfy this one. Brilliant.
Hey, you have to break some mates to make an omelette.
Shut up. This is kind of a hint that the model is messed up in more than one way. And you mean tell me that even with this lifted, what? The left one should just be moving? Yeah! So just do this. Parallel. Are you thinking for a face review in the future? Not really. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I don't care much for it. What kinds of mates do you need to break? This thing isn't mated to anything. This
That's
one.
what he said.
Shut up. This one. Why that one? Make it. What's your favorite number between 1 and 100? 36. Next question. What part are you designing? I am designing the shoulders for my mask. Basically, I'm gonna keep going. Basically, this yellow part is a speaker. Okay, what am I doing? I can just show you. These are speakers, and they will be on my shoulders. And basically, well, what I'm designing is these shoulder holders. That's kind of it. There isn't really much more to say. This one and this one. Mate. Parallel. Yes. Brilliant. Now they are in parallel. That's good. The only problem is, apparently, those won't align now. Why can you not line? Oh, it's fine. It's whatever. It's not whatever. It's actually a big issue. Because in order to fix this, what we effectively need to do is we need to merge together. Make it color or color. I use both. A big part of the way I program Sissy is that I basically make all of my code unreadable. So whenever I would make some kind of color that deals with, whenever I make some kind of code that deals with color, I always made sure to use both of them. Depending on the context, there was some logic to it, but I don't remember. Alright, let's see. Right here, edit sketch. This is what we have, right? Okay, these are parallel, 105, that's correct. Then this goes up 1 millimeter. This is connected to the edge, correct? This one is connected to the edge. Okay. Arch left. This looks the exact same. Wait, no, it isn't. Hold on. Wait a second. No, it isn't the same. My goodness, SolidWorks, why are you like this? Absolutely unusable at the moment. This sketch, yeah, show me. These two are parallel, and these two aren't? Is that the only difference? This one's horizontal, this one isn't. Oh my goodness. But this is already fixed everywhere, so how can it... Oh, because these aren't perpendicular. And these two must be parallel. There we go. That was the difference. I think. I hope. Let's see. Oh, this doesn't look like it's gonna work already, but fine, I'll try it. Egg on my face. Katsi, make a note reminding me to never doubt myself.
Okay. Well, what's the number? I'll make it.
Yeah, exactly. I just wanted in note form.
A note form.
I can't wait till I'll have Fix It fully implemented on the mask, so that I'll be just able to yell like midstream, Fix It, remind me to never doubt myself, and then Fix It will just actually don't doubt. I'm gonna add it as a feature. I'm gonna make like a log, where basically if I say Fix It, remind me to, then it's gonna just make a new file and then note down everything I say afterwards. And so
Just make
then...
an actual log. I put it on the piece of wood.
No, like the, typical file log. But then like, after a month or something, we'd be able to see how often I say, remind me to never doubt myself. And how often I do it off stream as well. Because on stream is one thing. Okay, so this is correct now. This is correct, which is good. I speak 0 languages. Same here. I just pretend to speak English. No one's got on yet. Alright, let's see if I can make this. Brilliant! Yes. Alright, now it's time for the other ones. It's a bit too far forward. Oh, no, damn it. No, shut up! Stop! Shut up!
Well, I know if you shut up to be on the fingerprint at this point.
No, it voices in my head. Okay, so there we go. This doesn't. No, this looks way too small.
The voices.
This looks. No, absolutely wrong. But if I make this bigger, I won't be able to print it. I have to print it some kind of idiotic angle. I should do that. So I'll just go to. Yeah, there's no way I'll be able to just. Okay, I might. It's gonna be rough. Now right here, the way I set it up is we can just increase this number and everything should work just fine. Which means that if we increase it from 205 to 245, then this should get longer. Okay. Minor issue. And then the other side is there we go. But all of the relations should remain the same, which means that now if we go to shoulders, they should just be further apart. Yeah. There we go. Hold on, I need to make a new, like... I need to make a new assembly file. And I'm gonna call it full. Just because I want to... This is the shoulders. And then we also have the... Is there anything facing
You have a
forward?
line here.
I suppose this and this. Absolutely no alignment. Parallel. Beautiful. Can I select a midpoint?
I'm sorry, I'll think it's facing towards you.
What do you mean?
Well, I should like wearing them.
Wait, are the speakers facing towards
Yeah.
me? No, they're facing outwards.
Okay, they just moved like that, I see.
Where's the midpoint? Oh, SolidWorks,
Maya.
buddy, I love you. Darling, truly, you need to give me the midpoint.
Oh. Do you love me?
There has to be a way to get a midpoint. That doesn't include just hovering over like a schizophrenic person. Alright, SolidWorks get the midpoint of the line. Where are they? Oh, I can just right click select midpoint. This. Alright, there we go. And then you, I want you to mate? Ah, but how? Not like this, no. That's not quite it. Instead, we'd like to go right here, open this part. Wait, this won't fit me. I can select the midpoint, just fine. But what I need is something I can't get here. Alright, whatever, I'll just eyeball it. It's fine.
I don't know, man. That point is kind of in.
I've seen better. There we go. So this is the this is the rough idea so far. You know what? I'll be right back. Give me a second.
Meow.
Actually, what if I don't make it on the faceplate? Okay. Hear me out. Or don't.
Mm-hmm.
I need to have a thunk. I need to have a solid thunk. Because how are we gonna install the lights? We want the lights to go out far, not... They made the number go up by 1 every time you refresh the page. Huh? Actually, what do we do? Okay, so here's the thing. What I was planning to do is... Can you just get the mask face, please? What I was planning to do is... We take the LEDs, not the speakers, right? And then pop them like this. So effectively they would be facing outwards. And we could actually see what one of those would look like. Let me just grab my comical amount of batteries, because that's what those LEDs need. And then all we need to do in order to power it is connect these two together. So just grab one of these.
Yeah.
Okay, that works. So basically, I thought we'd have it like this. Okay, you ready? I need to hold this better so that you can actually see the vision.
Meow.
Oh, that gets hot real quick. Okay, that gets hot really quick. Ow, that's... that gets hot really quick. Goodness gracious me. Okay, that's a maybe, right? I mean, you get what I mean. Like pointing
You-
outwards like this.
You put a heater.
And then,
Yes.
you know, headlights. It seems like not too bad of an idea. In order to do it though, we need to first solder two of them together. And ideally the way we do it, I imagine, is solder the pluses together, solder the grounds together, and then have two wires going off each. That's something we can do. Install the fabled 0 ohm resistor to it. I might actually install a heftier resistor to it, because if I'm not mistaken, it will just make it objectively better and easier. Alright, you ready? Will the hotness from the mask and your hotness annihilate themselves because minus plus minus equals plus? It's actually cool when you're wearing. Excuse me, Adrian, are you calling my hotness negative? Mods, kill him. Now.
To the gallon of him.
Okay. How are we gonna do this? That's actually a pretty good question because. I do want it to be a tad bit more rigid, but not too rigid. Or maybe we just disregard it being rigid completely and we just go for questions.
Was more
Tonight go crazy, all you gotta do is just meet me at the huh. Let's just do. How about less waiting, more doing? I bet Katsi would like that. Okay,
And I would.
let me just point the camera upwards a bit so that we can see the soldering work. Oh, the camera is dying, speaking of. Thank goodness I've got that. Oh no, wait!
Did you feel the camel spear?
Give
What's happening?
Give me a second. Give me a second. No! No! No!
Meow.
No! Yeah, I'm back. This is the battery. But I don't know if I actually charged the other battery in the meantime. So the other one might be dying as well. Which would be quite unfortunate. Is the other one dying? I don't think it is. Okay. There, this looks fine. Splendid! Let's get to work then. Okay. Mickey, did you just sing APT? Did I? I might have. I have that. I do that sometimes. Now, how we're gonna solder these bad boys together? I imagine I could whip up some of my cable that I have, this one, and then what we could do is we would probably like a resistor or two. So hear me out.
Don't resist me.
What did you say?
Don't resist me.
That's very dark. I know that you want it to be like sex and such, but that's just very dark. We're gonna use. Do we have two 70s, two 20s? I'm gonna use two 20s. Ah, obviously, there's one thing I forgot about. Kind of important, my soldering iron. I've heard it comes quite in handy when it comes to, you know, soldering.
Yeah, I have. Almost.
Anyone remember where I put it? Oh, I detect that. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
I am
Hey, how's it going, Cassie?
doing fairly well, actually. I'm working and it's working. Thanks. Right now, I just happen to be soldering some LEDs. I'm gonna test something out. They get really, really hot, and so I think that maybe if I put a resistor before them each. Then
Oh yeah, well they're glued to the heat sinks of aluminum, so you know they're gonna get hot.
Yeah, I know. I mean, eventually I do like the idea because that means I will need to make at least a little bit of a cooling system. And to be fair and honest, I do have this, which I could just use. It's a little cooling brick.
Oh, a Peltier device. Yeah, you could literally generate electricity from the heat of the LED.
Exactly. Self-sustaining mask. Perpetuum mobile. Okay.
Of course, it's gonna lose some heat, but I mean, you could recover some of the energy loss.
Yeah.
That would be one day. I'm running into a certain problem because I'm calling this still a mask, right? But like,
Yeah.
it sounds a bit weird when I say something like, oh yeah, you know, and now that we finished working on the shoulders from the mask, like it's spreading.
And you do realize with the Peltier device, the back of the Peltier device is going to get hot.
I know,
So
I
you're
know.
just-
I had an idea actually. I had a very funky idea. Okay, but that's like not something I'm gonna do. It's such a hypothetical that I don't even know if I'm gonna do it. But imagine this: you have do like a liquid cooling system with two separate lines going throughout the mask, and then you connect one of them. You connect both to like a blue buffer that can store them just in case, and then you connect one of them to one side of the pellet device, the other one to the other. And then what you can do is you can either heat up the mask or cool it down depending on which liquid you're pumping. It's idiotic.
Well, you can do that with the Peltier device by just reversing the polarity.
Oh, so like one side is facing outwards and then... Oh, I suppose that's fair. That's
Yeah.
much simpler.
You can literally just reverse the polarity of the Peltier device and it will switch. Because also, just as it stands, it will generate electricity if one side is hotter than the other, in whatever direction.
Okay, there we go. Like LED but for heat.
Yeah.
Oh no!
You should literally like connect a LED to a Peltier device and just put a lighter to one side and see if it can light it up.
Oh no, if I... Oh no, if I set them both up in parallel, then this is gonna be a voltage divider, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, damn
Well,
it!
parallel. Yeah.
Oh, damn it! Each one of these needs 12 volts. I can't...
Looks like you'll need a buck converter then.
what do you mean, like a step-up converter?
Yeah,
I-
buck converters are up direction.
I
and
ordered like 6 of them, they still haven't arrived yet. But I mean, ideally, I would have like a, you know, an up converter right here, and then before... I guess I could just have the up converter going to 24 volts then.
Yeah.
That feels
not
like
that
a wrong way to do it, but I mean, fine. The converter I ordered can go up to 40 something, so it should be fine.
Nice.
Only 12.
Yeah,
Car
you
has
already
like
have
600. What do you mean car has like 600? Doesn't the car battery also have 12 volts?
They're usually like 14, 15.
Okay.
They're probably 12-volt batteries, but if you measure the voltage, you'll measure like 14.4.
I just realized how idiotic it is that I'm using this battery system with like 7 batteries when I have a literal lab power supply I could be using. If only I had something that could regulate power.
I think 600 might be like the amps, because you have so many
Yeah.
crank amps or something.
Yeah, car batteries have a really lot of amps, but voltage is pretty small.
Speaking of car batteries, I need a new one, or I think my car is draining its battery. Or rather, I know it is.
Oh, that's not good. Do you know a cause, or is it just general wear and tear sort of thing?
I don't. The battery is actually in the trunk, which is interesting. So maybe it's like a bad fuse or something. I gotta figure it out because I'm jumping my car with a battery, with another battery.
When you know your car is draining battery, but you just can't prove it.
Dogs meme, I
Yeah.
know. Hilarious. So wait, you're just every single time jumping into with another battery. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Get on my face.
Yeah. It
You
makes
need
me
a
look
small
cool, I
hood,
guess.
man.
Like I'm hot wiring a car every day.
That's what I was imagining. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
I once had a ignition relay problem on one of my first cars that I had, and I had to cross the solenoid with the battery because the ignition relay makes it so you don't shock your hand every time you turn the key. So the small voltage goes to the key, and then a relay pulls, from the battery. So I literally had a wire, a very thick wire, because small wires would burn up because of the amperage, and turn the key, cross the wire, just to start my car. I eventually drilled a hole into the dashboard and installed a high amperage switch, so it would bypass the ignition relay. And it was silly, but anyways, somebody needed a ride home from a party when I was like, I don't know, 20 or something. And then we got in my car and like I hot wired it literally and started it, and they just looked at me the whole ride like I was a gangster.
Yeah, like, it's not even my car.
Yeah.
You asked for a ride, I don't have a car.
Yeah.
I would have absolutely the entire time pretended that it isn't my car. Just for the funsies. Okay, there we go. This is something. Now the other side will be a tad more tricky. Hold on, first let me see
Looks like you made a flux capacitor there.
yeah, yeah, I'm actually all out of flux capacitor, so... Flux capacitor is a real thing, by the way, isn't it? Isn't that the name just for a normal capacitor?
Well, it's a capacitor. Yeah, flux is from Back to the Future.
But funny enough, flux is a genuine electrical thing, isn't it? I remember because...
Yeah, you used it.
And isn't flux... Okay, I know it sounds funky, and I know, Katsu, you don't like smart talk, but trust me, it's simpler than it seems. Because if my memory does me well... flux just means, like, fluctuations. So, basically, if you have something going back and forth... Oh, am I remembering it backwards, or am I remembering it correctly? If you have something going back and forth, then flux is either really high or non-existent. I don't remember which one it is, though. The point is, flux measures like more change than the actual thing, if I recall. So a flux capacitor would be just a capacitor.
What you're saying is flux in our relationship is very connected.
Yeah, exactly. Or very, I don't know, one of them. I don't remember which. Okay, right.
Yeah, it's one of the polar opposites, you know?
One here. Okay, right here what I need is...
Magnetic flux is the amount of magnetic field that passes through a specific area, like a wire coil. So an inductor might actually be a flux. So you could have a flux inductor, but you probably wouldn't have a flux capacitor.
Huh.
Because inductors are just that. So like inductors on a device, it takes a lot of energy to create the magnetic field. So it's like kind of resists the flow until it gets up to being fully saturated, and then it just stays there. And then when you kind of like unplug the device from the wall, if an LED is still attached to an inductor, the LED will still light up while the magnetic field collapses and turns back into electricity. And I think the same thing happens in transformers as well, and that's another reason. But inductors also make a whine, and I think they make a whine because they're vibrating, which is actually interesting. So a lot of people talk about...
Wait, hold on. So what is flux again?
Well, flux is a measurement of how much magnetic field is going through something.
Is it just
And
magnetic?
so-
Is there no electric? Is there no electric flux?
Well, like I said, an inductor translates the electric field into a magnetic field, right? And as a part of its normal function. So it would induce a flux, and it would be measured in a flux amount, I guess, because it's inducing a magnetic field, and then when it collapses, it turns back into an electric field. I'm bastardizing that, but it's generally correct, I believe.
I'm greatly confused.
So you know what an inductor looks like?
I know.
Right?
Yeah, I have even a couple.
Yeah, they look like donuts. They have ferromagnetic material with a coil wrapped around it.
If I'm not mistaken, on my right, there's like a buggy full of them somewhere. Oh, there they are. Yeah, I have a couple.
Yeah, exactly. So what that does is if you put that into a circuit with electricity, it's going to resist the electric flow because it's going to...
I know how an inductor works. It's just that what I'm asking is, what is flux?
I guess the flux is the amount of magnetic... is the fundamental measurement of a magnetic field that passes through a specific area, such as the cross section of a wire coil.
So then the follow-up question, because you said specifically magnetic field.
Yeah,
So-
constantly changing magnetic flux is what produces.
So
an
can you
electric-
have electrical flux? If you can have magnetic flux, can you have electrical?
Yeah, I guess you can. AI says you can.
All right.
Electric flux is a similar concept that measures the flow of an electric field
I'm
through a
going to
surface.
snap something's neck off because this is the second time I messed up this way. But so then
I guess Gauss's law explains it. Gauss's law.
yes. Now the question number 3: how do we store a small? Can we store a small amount of flux, only to release it later? Because if we can, then that would be a flux capacitor.
So it's the net charged enclosed within that surface. Yeah, because a capacitor is two plates separated, so a flux exists on both plates of a capacitor. I guess.
How am I so bad at this?
Electric flux is the total electric field lines passing through a closed surface.
Just there we go. I'm screwed. I'm doing it. Just this.
You're trying to put a square peg in a round hole.
I'm trying to use the forbidden techniques.
So, AI is saying that a flux capacitor is a contradiction in terms. In physics, an inductor stores energy in a magnetic flux, while a capacitor stores energy in an electric field. Combining these two concepts into one device, it has no basis in reality. So an inductor would hold magnetic flux, but even though I just told it about Gauss's law, it's like, no. Back to the Future is not real.
I don't trust it. I don't trust anyone who says Back to the Future is not real. Must have gotten wrong.
Yeah. We know it is a Terminator.
That's the wrong movie.
So I told it, so now it's saying, yes, a normal capacitor has an electric flux, which is the product of the electric field. The term flux simply refers to the flow or passage of an electric surface. So you're right. Technically, you could say that all capacitors are flux capacitors, but not
Electric
one
field that crosses a
do
given
kind.
surface. The electric flux through a closed surface is directly proportional to the total charge contained in that surface. It is importantly proportional, not equal. So the electric field E can exert a force on the electric charge in equivalent space. The electric field is the gradient of electric potential. Alright, so if we go down, then if the electric field is uniform, the electric flux passing through a surface of vector area A is the field times field dot A. E is the electric field, area of the surface, angle between the electric field lines and non-perpendicular to A. Magnetic field, right, the electric field multiplied by the equivalent. The electric was not which is okay, so hold on. Electric flux is the total electric field that crosses a given surface. Okay, so right, so that's I imagine the reason why it wouldn't work is because it's charge that's crossing a given surface, so it would be kind of like amperage capacitor. Current capacitor would be, I suppose. Like, you cannot really have a current capacitor. You can have a charge capacitor, but not a current capacitor, because the current capacitor would require flow. You cannot store change. I think that would be the reason then. That makes sense, I suppose. Still, 1984, we cannot have flux capacitors, ridiculous.
You know?
I'm just gonna try the same thing again, expecting a different result. Unrelated, what's the definition about this?
When you're angry at someone.
Ah, right, cheers. That's the one. Right, so what I need to do is I need to cut it at the midway point, then remove the jackets from both sides at roughly equal distances. Come on, get off. Get off. Okay, listen, Bob. I wasn't asking.
Why don't his jacket off?
Right, what?
Why don't his jacket off?
It's because I need to solder it. And I can't solder the rubber. I've tried.
Why don't my jacket off?
Oh no. That's very sad, okay. There we go. One.
No.
Not the other one. Come on. When make it handles knife best on shitpost. Sorry, what now? When make it handles knife best off on shitpost. Adrian, that is not a sentence. I took 2 tries to read that and I still don't understand.
I totally know what he means.
Okay, let's see. There we go. Got it. Now all we need to do is just position it correctly.
It's all about position.
That's one.
Yeah.
It's such a tired meow. Okay. Actually, no, I need to bend it more a bit. Yes. Okay, brilliant. That I do believe should be, in fact, it. No, it's gonna be annoying. Alright, whatever.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No, I can't
Now
see.
it will be just mention the sound too.
Don't can't see. Daddy's busy. Alright. Yeah. Anyway, I love hearing Danny's voice. It's inescapable. It's. Listen, we need the print. I don't know what to tell you.
Unusual opinion. Unusual love it. He'll catch his voice.
This is going to be a pain.
Pain in the ass, you say?
Oh
I don't
no.
mind it.
Not even a good one.
Oh, well.
Okay. Now one last thing. There we go. Now all we need to do is unplug the soldering iron and get myself my power supply. And then all we need to do... My camera just died. Brilliant.
Oh,
Terrible timing. Terrible timing, buddy. Just because I was about to do something magnificent. Alright, so if I am not mistaken, and if my calculations are to be correct, then we should need 20.
yeah.
They always are. Then we should need 24 volts. I'm just gonna put this power supply right here. Oh, this is... Oof, that does not look good. I'd be amazed if we can put any kind of electricity through this, actually. It looks rusty. Alright, let's try it then. Are you ready? Can you like see how rusty that is, by the way? That looks rough. Hold on, I need to plug this in. Okay. Beforehand, actually, let me just unplug this real quick. And we're going to start with simple current of 0.5 ampere. And voltage of 14, why not? Okay, now we're going to increase the voltage to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 3. This should be glowing right now. But I'm guessing the reason why it isn't is because these are absolutely ruined. Let me just unplug these power cables. I should have backups. I should have backup power cables in all my boxes.
What resistors are those valued at?
If I'm not mistaken, 220? 220. Alright, this should be better cables if I can plug them in. Oh, here's the other pincers I was looking for last time. How convenient.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can plug in these cables. Because if I can plug them in, that's gonna... Oh, it looks as if I can. Splendid. So, the other ones are so rusty because, well, I was using them for the electrochemistry experiments, which usually is pretty taxing on the cables. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Because I sure am not. 3, 2, 1. Well then.
Oh yeah. The bright light.
Let's see how low we can get the amperage. This is 23 volts, 0.5 ampere. 0.1. Oh, it's smoking!
Uh-oh.
Okay, please let me know that was just the mud. Oh, that wasn't the mud. What was smoking? So, well, something was smoking. I don't know. That could have been the resistors, actually. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Something was smoking. I don't know if you saw the smoke, but...
That's a little deal.
I mean... Oh, damn it.
I heard the electrical consequence of the smoking.
I wasn't even recording.
The job.
Well, let me see. I can turn them back on. That looks pretty lovely. Let me just take a closer look at what's smoking. If I can catch the smoke.
That sounds like the way you explode.
I don't see any smoke at the moment. To be fair, it is quite bright. I don't see any smoke. I like the way it turned off. Oh, hi there, Matter. Hi, how you doing?
All matter.
Just
Hi.
Oh yeah, you did join in at a pretty perfect time for the title of the live stream, didn't you? Ah, my eyes. Okay. If I had a nickel for every single time I had to look at something, I had to look at these LEDs in order to see if they work. As they're on, I would have 2 nickels. Which isn't a lot, but it's painful that it happened twice. The point
It's
is...
more than you have.
The point is, it's more than I would have nickels, yeah. I still need to send the email to Theodore Nichols.
Yeah.
Okay, but the point is, it works. Which means we'll be able to install this on the mask. We can't have them on all the time because out of all the parts on the mask, these ones, I would argue, are the most dangerous ones, simply because they, you know, they get really hot, they will require a step-up converter, they will require a lot of annoying things. So we won't have them all on the time, but, well, that's actually the fun of it. That's because in the future, as we'll be dealing with the mask, we'll need to install maybe some cooling, we need to secure them and such and such and such. There we go, that's good.
Yeah, so these are the most dangerous, not the UV attachment.
No, the UV actually, I don't think... Well, I mean, you know, as long as you're not looking directly at them. Speaking of UV, actually, I would like to try to connect them in series. And the reason why is because... Oh, I need to turn on this soldering iron back, huh? Why do I want to add the UV lights, by the way? Anyone knows? Anyone remembers? No, I'm sure.
Oh,
I
to
have.
blind security cameras.
Oh, yeah, right. No, wait, no, but that doesn't work for that. I need a UV laser for that. I need to talk with Flame. Alright. I'm certain I had my reasons. Now, can we connect them in some kind of even more clever way? Because these can be actually really close together. I'll try to connect them in series. The upside of connecting them in series will be that we won't need to double the voltage. The downside is that we'll need a more powerful battery, which shouldn't be a problem because we have this. So, unless my understanding of electronics is incorrect, this is just fine for our purposes. Because one of the parts I just was trying to pick up this and one of these fell on the ground and goodness gracious me, I cannot see it. If only I had some kind of flashlight or something light emitting, you know?
Doing the fanboy from your floor to pick it up.
I need something bright is what I need. Actually, all matter, I may have a commission for you soon. You'll see.
Oh god.
Oh, I found it. Jeez, I'm incredible. Look how tiny this is.
Comment on what I sent you.
What'd you say, Katsi?
Nothing.
Oh, you mean no? Jeez, you sound very muted, and sometimes it takes me like 3 tries. I need to replay what you said in my mind in order to understand it.
Is it better now?
I think so, maybe. Excited.
Maybe let me
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
possibly on Sunday I'll have the thing ready, and then after Sunday I'll be able to send you. I'll be able to send you what I need. You'll see. You'll see.
Oh my god. Where is the battery coming? The fin battery.
The what?
The fin battery. Where is that coming? Over?
The fondage. The what?
The battery.
The battery.
The
Where?
fin one.
Oh, it's right here. They already came.
Oh, they came.
Yeah,
So you can make the thing. That's the thing.
I do want to make that will be another thing that we're gonna do this stream. Hopefully, we're being very productive today. It's only been 2 hours. I mean, to be fair, I do have a shit ton of work to do, but for 2 hours so far we've done a pretty good job.
Yeah. Very nice.
We got
I haven't
the
discarded you enough.
we got the mask printing. We got the shoulders sorted. We got the LEDs brighten. Next one will be the cigarette after the UVs. Well, either that or the... Oh no, not the RGB LEDs. Oh, I also need to solder those. Damn it. I'm not looking forward to that.
And for red, grey, and black.
Yes, exactly. Wait, what? God.
Did you misunderstand me?
I
Need to repeat myself.
don't think I want to understand that one. Keep your secrets, I'm good. There we go. So that's one. Am I soldering plus to plus? I am, that's good. Wait, no! Yes, that's good. I'm kind of guessing that they work the way I think they do, because they have plus on each side and minus on each side, which I'm guessing just means that they want you to connect them in series by default. If not, then whoops. What's the worst that could happen? They won't work? Yes! That is the worst that could happen, actually. Thank you so much for asking. They have that Irish exit in the meantime, by the way. This... Come on. Heat up. What was that Saikatsi?
Just tired, man.
My god, it's not easy being a cat, you know?
That's right.
Okay, hope this
Yeah.
works.
My throat hurts, and it isn't even your fault this time.
My fault? It's more my pleasure than my fault. Alright, there we go. My goodness, I'm incredible. Okay, so we have this. No, actually, connecting this in parallel would be really easy because we just need snaps on me to those connections in the middle. But now they connect it differently. Ah, it's annoying. Wait, no, that won't work. Shit, I'm an idiot.
Don't say it.
Well, how else am I gonna describe it? This doesn't make sense. It's not a connection in series. I don't actually understand how this works because the only way I can understand to connect them is in parallel. I don't know how to connect them in series. Make it your own idiot. Then how would you explain this? Ah, hold on. I know how to connect in parallel. But for that I would need a second step-up converter. To be fair, it could be pretty funky and funny, because what I could actually then, like, have two step-up converters, and I could regulate actually brightness with them. Well, regulate brightness, you'll see. Ban the LEDs to set them up to be really bright, because normally you can't really regulate brightness this way. Okay, Okay, I mean we can... I really don't understand well, because I feel like if I solder something to the side right here, they're just not gonna do anything. This soldering iron is still, by the way, really hot, so I'm trying to avoid that. I might need to get back my power supply. And we'll try the minimal amperage. Well, we won't really be able to regulate the amperage, will we? That's fine, I suppose. Okay. Actually, I don't need to connect these. I'll just disconnect these. And I can just connect the ground. I can just connect the live. There we go. I gotta go now. Don't know. I'll come back later. Just shoot directly. Have a nice stream. Bye. Alright, see ya, Adrian. Bye. Have a good one. And now, actually, I'm gonna unplug the live wire for now. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm gonna unplug the live wire. I'm gonna turn on the power supply, and I'm gonna decrease the voltage to 3 volts for now. Holy shit, that already worked. There we go. There we go. As you can see, UV. Brilliant. So this can actually operate on 3 volts. That's really good news. Can the other one operate on just 12? That wouldn't make much sense. But oh well, when does anything ever make sense? So we have 3 volts, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12! Well, I'll be damned. Parallel doesn't matter. And we can even change the brightness if we want to. It's like, you know, that scene from Iron Man where he's putting on the new car. Hold on. Hold on. No, I need this to be a bit lower. Hold on, I can see that better. Like this. There we go! It works with 12. Brilliant. So there we go. We have these. We have the other ones. It's kind of important that we don't lose them for now. So I'm going to put them somewhere. Actually, good question. What are we going to do with these? They have a specific shapes that we could actually install screws on them, and we could actually just screw them into something, which probably would have been a better idea before we sold. Whatever. That's what matters. I don't actually know where these are gonna be, because these are pretty simple. They're really flat, and I can just glue them to the mask with tape the mask. These, however, genuinely no idea. I don't know. I could, if I'm doing shoulders, I might as well also do like an armband just with UV light, just in case I need it.
Armband?
Yeah, why not? That would be comical amount of stuff for a single mask.
To make creepy socks.
The naked mask of creepy socks. You know what, Katsi?
Uh-huh.
I think I have been working non-stop for 2 hours and 30 minutes, so it's time for a break. Are you in the mood,
Oh.
perchance? For some chicken horsing.
Am I in the mood?
For some chicken horsing.
Chicken.
Yeah. Get your mind out of your gutter, honestly.
I'm always in the mood,
For chicken horsing, right?
especially with you.
Right? For chicken horsing. That's what you mean.
Chicken horse is right. Man. Chicken horse around a little bit.
Oh, this is gonna be brilliant. On the left side of the mask, I could have... No, actually, power management I should have separate. No, but then we would need...
I can manage with power. I'm a power bottom.
You're a power bottom.
I'm a bottom.
I honestly don't think you are a power bottom.
You don't?
Yeah, no. I mean, the bottom part, that one I can... That one I...
You know,
You know, the bottom part, that one I can get behind.
you can get behind me, that's for sure, yeah.
Alright, give me the code. Give me the code.
Yeah. Oh, that's some nice food you've made there.
Yeah, that's the food I was making on... Well, one of them is the one I was making on stream, the other one is just what I was making. Speaking of, I'm
I
actually
need a
gonna...
paprika.
I'm actually gonna give myself some more of that.
The Paimon would fucking congratulate you.
Yeah.
That looks so tasty, man.
It is bloody delicious. Words cannot do it justice.
I wanna come over just to eat your food. And no other reasons.
I didn't hear I wanna come over just to eat your food, by the way. I heard I wanna come over just to eat you. That is
Oh.
like only after you said
I
your
mean-
only after you said food I realized you said yours, not you.
I mean, you aren't around here, you know? Okay.
They're so nasty. Why did I cook so much of it? So much excess. Who needs this? I'll be right there. Give me a second. I'm just.
Oh, I believe you.
I'm coming.
You're the one who cooks.
I'm coming, alright?
I'm sure of it. I can feel it.
I'm just honestly glad you can feel it.
Yeah. Most people don't even notice it.
Yeah. Oh, hi the YouTube demonetization team. Alright.
The last one will never be demonetized. What do you mean?
It's heating.
Alright. Let us see.
Hmm.
Oh,
Random.
what is
Crumbling bridge.
radio? Crumble me. Put it down. Not sure. I haven't done the jetpack much like ever. I'm sure it has some potential. Okay. Brilliant.
Alright. Let's see it. Oh yeah.
So begins.
And so it begins.
Yeah. Is it legendary
Oh!
or is there in fact is a bunch of deadly stuff? Hmm. This is awesome. Hmm. Yep. Let's just do this.
Oh, I'm put.
Okay. Yeah, I went under the crack hole.
You give so much time to the arrows.
The flower just slapping your ass.
Yeah.
Man, I wish I was that flower.
I just... Thank you. I don't know how to react to that.
I know you don't. Perfect. This is complete. Information complete.
No, you're gonna have so much fun.
Oh god, go fast. Oh, okay, I did go fast. The bridge is disappearing.
Gas them up, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it goes here. Oh, I want to go there. Go here. Oh, no, not go in. Oh god. I got hit. That bridge is about to be gone.
Yeah, once the bridge is gone, we kind of don't have a way to come across, do we?
Yeah.
Or do we?
Do we?
Or do we?
Can you clear this? Like, yeah, I think you can. Uh-oh. I can.
I see the point there. Oh my goodness.
You see my devious
Ah,
eyes?
just fuck this. I don't know if I can jump off the glue actually.
I don't think that's a...
Oh, you can. Well, that'll be
Can.
done.
Well, that's fucking
Oh,
nice.
shit! Shit!
Well, can you open me the door? Can you open the door?
Can't see, I
Open the door.
genuinely... Oh, the bottom one.
Yeah, the bottom
Oh
one.
my goodness. There we go.
There you go. It's a jetpack.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, I got jetpack. Is it
Wait,
limited?
another one. Okay, well. This isn't much easier still. Hmm.
Press B to give up. Who do you think we are, game? Is jetpack unlimited?
This is... Yeah, I think so.
Oh. No way to go. Oh!
I don't know if I want to move
Fuck.
there or not.
Holy shit.
This fucking jetpack is annoying to operate.
It is really powerful. Hi there,
Yeah,
Ash. How you doing?
There's some limitation on it. Once you see. But I put it here for a reason.
Okay, I'm playing with one hand because I'm eating. Ah, damn it, not my eyes.
the fuck? Why not?
What do you mean?
The hell is this thing? Like,
Yeah, I haven't glued anything to it yet.
oh,
Oh.
where did the portal go?
The other corner of the map. Ah, shit.
Oh. Alright, fine.
I'm not doing that again. Make it. I give you a re-show DM. Did you look at it? I haven't seen your DM yet. No. I don't get notified when I get DMs.
No? Oh, okay.
Oh, this works actually.
Bump my head again. Oh,
Yeah,
you
shit.
go. Okay, well. The state of affairs. That was very big today. It's like an apartment even.
Yeah, it's honestly better than my living conditions.
All ice out there.
What game is this? This is Ultimate Chicken Horse.
It is. So you can go under the hole. You wanna know?
No, everything is either honey or rice. I hate
Yeah,
this.
you can do a rescue from the backside now. You're alive there for some reason. You can jump into this.
No, God.
Look at me, you can't. I don't believe you. Oh, you're going for the jetpack. Yeah. No? This bothers me.
If you can, I'd really like you to take a look. So, okay, give me a second.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's not good. Who said that?
What happened? No? Okay. I know you're coming on that.
Oh no, I have stream mode enabled. I cannot see. Wait, oops. I'll take care of it.
What do you think you What do you think you look at?
A message. Don't worry about it.
Fuck this fucking jump.
What do you suggest we do now? Hmm? What is your plan?
Don't do that. Oh. That's big. That's suboptimal. Let's jump before that happens.
Okay. Just... You give me a second before I play, so I need to take care of something. Let me just win this real quick and then I can take care of the thing.
Oh. What's happening?
Straight. Thank you.
Yeah. It's safe.
Gutsy, I don't need to
Oh.
be that guy.
Not anymore. Well, no, you can get uncloaked there. There you go. This is terrible. This is not a safe spot either. You cannot stand here.
Actually, the corner is a safe spot. What are you doing?
Well, I guess you. Yeah, you get unstuck.
Yeah,
There,
now
so,
I
yeah.
need to keep coming. Like, I cannot make the jump because I need to keep coming back to unstuck you.
Okay, what? What's the plan system? Why am I? What? Why that happened? I don't understand. This is bullshit. Why did I fucking go under the block and over the side?
No, I need to grab a bite because
That makes no fucking sense.
this is fun timings wise.
I know, right? This is also fun. Oh, that block is about to be gone.
Yeah.
Now it's gone.
No shit!
Oh, arrow. Oh,
There is one arrow that's
That's
going
like-
at the perfect angle. Actually, there's.
yeah, that is good. Can't really go in the can anymore. Have to like. It's hard. Seems to be difficult. Okay, let's do this. No, fuck this soon. See, I don't trust that fucking black hole after what I did to me last time.
Oh shit.
Oh.
No. Go away. This is what. Why do we
So
always
funny.
make maps with like pixel perfect timings? There's only one like possibility here.
Yeah, and if you miss the jump, you have to like wait for the black hole to do this thing again. Oh, you're dead now.
Yeah, I am.
Safety here. Have to wait. Coming around. See, why? It just decides to kill me and not you. It's so fucking
The
stupid.
black hole likes me.
Yeah, it always kills me and not
Holy
you.
shit.
Like, why?
Didn't even take me this time.
Oh, well, you made it there. Now he's in a safe spot. Oh. This is a terrifying place to be.
What are you telling me? Where the fuck do I go from here? Did you know that the fireballs go through the spiky bolts? I didn't.
I didn't know that. That's confusing. Is it?
Oh!
Oh
Oh!
my
No!
God,
Oh! No! Fucking shit.
You kept going.
Yeah,
And I
what
guess
was I
it's
supposed to do?
good.
Stay there?
You could stay on the windmill actually. Like on the
No,
right, I
there
think
are
it's,
arrows.
This bothered me. Door 2. Oh god.
I'm thinking you can put it on the very bottom, like below the plant.
No, there's no space here. You think this is still doable if I do this?
I genuinely don't know. Maybe.
I'm not going. That's
It could be easier actually.
Come on. But can I do this jetpack like that? Probably not. Feel this. Okay, well, let's see what happens now when you stand here. Do we get squished in? Might get really squished. Oh
No,
no,
it's
door
all
opens.
good.
Oh, and now we're here.
Oh, it actually
And now
doesn't.
we're under.
Fuck.
Uh-oh. Oh, now we're here. Oh god.
I still think it's doable because on the very beginning there's a moment when the flamethrower isn't actually flamethrowing.
Right, so it's just- I want to make this book not stick you ever to like the wrong side, but it's a bit harder. Hmm. Like this. And this. This.
Oh shit! That was so fucking close.
Well, I'm here for you.
Well, time to die.
No. You're gonna die. I just... There you
No, oh my goodness.
go. How did you escape that?
It released me.
How? Go fast. Oh, it's right there. That spot is so good to hang out in. I think you have to go down. Maybe land on the platform that's moving with the windmill. And then maybe like...
I don't know where it is.
Yeah, you don't. That's an issue. Open to the portal.
Yep, that's the plan.
Where does the portal even go?
Nowhere nice. Shit, piss off black hole. Oh, will the black hole be able to take me from here? Ah!
I don't think so. That's really close.
No!
Yeah,
I
no,
don't
that's
like it. Okay.
Oh god.
It was brought me the wrong way. Shit.
That's not a deal. There's a little platform here. Yeah. If you can land there, good luck, honestly.
No, why do I always move?
How do you get released from this?
I don't press random buttons.
Press random.
Shit. Not this button, not this button, not this button.
I'm released-ish.
So am I.
Yeah, I'm released. You know.
Right. What?
Round 2. You died.
Yeah, squish me.
You died. If I crouch. Yeah, if I crouch, I go on the other side, which is now safe. To be on. I have to go fast. Like, yeah, no, I missed. I know I die, why? Hmm. 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 It's not like a game. You know that.
That would be so lovely.
The place will be interesting.
But it's not glued.
You want to load this?
Yeah, without it being glued, it might be weird.
Okay. Where does this go? Here. Okay. Yes, it's okay. Let me go up though.
Oh, up! I thought it was good. Okay.
Or it goes up now.
I wanted you to move to the black
Or it goes
hole.
to the side, will be too easy to jump into. Like over time. And crouch and then crouch. And now safe.
Oh shit.
stuck in that fucking hole. I need to leave. No. Oh my god. There's a portal. And
No, the plank blocks the thing.
safe. I'm going back. Oh god. Oh my fucking god. Kidding me.
See, that's why I wanted it to stick to the black hole, because if it sticks to the black hole, it's a one-way portal. If you ever try to go back, it kills you
Yeah.
instantly.
If you get horny, I can blow it up later. The movie park. That might just kill you, I think. Those. If you put that. You meow. Oh, okay. Oh, no, I'm bad place. Really bad place even. God damn it. And you know how?
It squished me.
It doesn't squish, the door opens. What is... Why? Okay. No way. Okay, fuck. Even don't open for this fellow.
I know that we will die to it.
Maybe. Come here. Open. You uncrouch here. And then you go right. And then you know. Or you don't. You just get dropped there anyway. Oh fuck.
Yeah, you could be aware of the cooldown. Oh,
You
there
got
we
this.
go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Hmm. This is an innovation that changed everything. Does it actually? Oh, I'm here now. Oh god. Oh, I'm here now. What the fuck? It's fucking bonked me. Okay, well.
What if, well, if it isn't consequences of my own actions?
I've made a wind tunnel. Okay, well that spot isn't safe anymore. It's fun. But it's still safe, but it's just gonna be in front of it. Yeah, funny. That'll be nice. Oh god. You know what?
If
Go for
everything,
it.
if,
Go
if
for
we
it.
glue everything together, this would be just a delivery tackle.
This would be quite something indeed. What did that do now?
Oh, that's rough. Oh, that's quite rough.
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, it comes at you quickly. I think you have to hard right. I mean, no, hard left and just wait for over there.
Yeah.
The bullshit. There's just no lose there.
Brilliant.
Oh my god. Yeah, fuck this. just from here. This is safe.
Surprisingly, it is.
Yeah.
Despite what it looks like, it is actually in fact safe.
Yeah. Ugh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're in the wind tunnel. Uh-oh. This is awesome. Is there any glue anywhere? Yeah, I think it's interesting. Oh god. Good heavens.
Is there anything missing ice at this point? Absolutely anywhere? I guess there's. Oh, so like this, you say?
Yeah. Like that. We go.
Shit.
Oh. I live, bitch. What now, though? I go down here. This diabolical, man. Wait, I didn't. Bitch. That's stupid. The map doesn't even end up over there, okay? Well, this is interesting. Anything? Ooh, that's nice. Oh, fuck, I missed. There is a spike over there.
I know.
Well. Oh, they align. Oh no. Oh, we just. Yeah, but he snatched it. However, he died. This is wonderful.
I think you missed the timing.
I can just wait.
Yeah,
Wait,
but now we need to wait till they realign again.
I don't know. Ah.
No, damn it.
Oh god, where am I? I'm dead now.
Nope.
Blocks. Oh my god. That's it. It's not as absurd. Okay, so that is actually safe. That's good to know. We have a couple more seconds to live there. Oh, no. Where am I? Who am I? Hello. See?
Ah, damn it.
It's dead. Just die before it like can deploy it. To get in a cannon too. No, I guess a Honda. Okay. So silly.
Ah, shit.
All the way there. I got there. I'm flying. The wood. Pew. Go fuck yourself, man. I had the jetpack already. Yeah, sure. God. I move slowly now.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Fuck. I die. No. Go. Very insightful.
Oh!
Oh. Where'd you go?
Well.
What? Good luck now. On the port down there.
Oh, shit!
What? Oh.
Piss, I picked up the wrong phone.
This is shit. Oh. What? Yeah, I can't go there anymore. Thanks. Oh, the spikes kill me. Oh, fuck. And there is a spice kill you there. Remove it now.
Make it, do you do programming, and if so, what languages do you use? I used to do a lot of programming, and my favorite one is in fact C. Although for practical purposes I most of the time do use Python, simply because it's very versatile. Use it for anything, it's great. Kind of funny and even.
Oh.
Wait, was this lead? I already forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Oh, I'm the black book. I never know freaking black book. Yeah, damn it. Point off.
Brilliant.
That will change everything.
Game changing.
Life. No! Get me out of this fucking... Oh my god, this windmill is evil. I need a green port. Oh no. Nope. Nope. Almost.
There are a lot of really great zero placements
I
now,
was-
like Zig, Odd, and C3 here. Honestly, I can figure out how anyone could keep using an inherently broken language like C.
Don't worry.
From your comment, I guess you've never coded anything in a low-level programming language, have you? Because calling something like C broken is comical. There aren't enough things in there to be broken.
Oh my god. There's so many projectiles.
I know. Took a little of effort to make that, you know?
I can go to the jetpack like the easy way, but it doesn't help because I'm stuck in the game. I can't avoid the fucking doom that's in the middle. You know?
Yeah, that's why I just avoid the jetpack entirely. I just go for the middle.
Yeah. There's a... Sure, that's a tactic. Go here. Oh, I got hit. Fuck you.
Damn it! So close. Oh.
It's still a little easier with a jetpack, but not by a lot. Nice. Nice. No. Too late. Fuck. Oh no, I'm not. Get me out. Get me out. Jesus fuck. No. Oh god. What a spot. I'm so dead. Oh my god. I'm not. There's no way. How did I survive that?
Yeah.
I went the time there, I thought. What shall I do with you? On this. No! What a misery. Oh. Yeah, that should have killed me, but it doesn't. And that, yeah, I'm here, I'm safe. Maybe. Oh god, that volleyball that like goes up the map, like at accelerated speed. That's terrifying. That's actually a good one. Yeah. Okay. This party is a bit too easy now. Something about that. Base maybe.
Can I pause the YouTube link? There's a video of me why C is unfixable can reviews language like oh the memory manage. Hold on, because you know I'm just gonna die because I need to respond to. Oh, actually, never mind. Hold on, I might accidentally win right now.
You're alive. I am. Where am I?
Okay, can I pause the YouTube link? There is a video that explains why C is unfixable and can be replaced by language alone that is memory managed but gives you certain control over memory and errors. Maxi Rentier, two problems. First of all, YouTube just doesn't allow links. That's... You can't ask me for this. I just cannot give the power to post links in the YouTube channel. YouTube just deletes them. But I don't understand your argument for what's broken with C. Like, unfixable. To say that, you know, C is unfixable suggests that it's broken in some way. But I've made a whole graphical engine in C and it works just fine. You haven't explained to me what do you think is broken in C?
There's a lot of
There are
low
some
risk
demons
path.
at play just pushing me around.
Yeah.
I could feel them just pushing me left and right. That's why I want to post a link to explain that. The experience is silly. The fact that they use no limited strings, that memory management by syscalls and not part of the language. That makes perfect sense. Using no limited strings. First, okay, that's not really a C thing, because, I mean, if you don't like it, just use char pointers and define it however you want. That's what I did. I almost never used no limited strings because I didn't need to. I almost always created my own system for using strings. Right. If only there wasn't a block right here. If only there was a block right here. That's it, I might win on accident.
Oh, okay. What did you say?
I might win on accident.
That's fine. I'm not like complaining. There's many things on this map already. I think it's fair. Lemon is like a theoretically easier thing to get back.
That's what this has been missing. Another one of those. Damn it. The video launch is called It's on pretty much done right with Bill Hall. Please watch at least the first part. Maxi Rater, I am not. Okay, here's the thing. I am always extremely skeptical of when people present their arguments by linking to videos, and that's because it's really easy to make a video that in a reasonable way supports any kind of claim. And I'm saying that as someone who makes videos for a living. It is really easy to support any kind of claim with correct framing in a video. I would say that as someone who has used the C programming language for years and has wrote an entire graphical engine among many other projects, I can tell you with confidence that C as a programming language is not broken. It in fact works really well. To be fair, it's a fairly difficult programming language, but you know, most of the time it's the programmer who's broken, not the code.
Yeah. Now, where am I? Where am I? Well. No. God damn it. You know, that's a bit harder to. Oh. Man. No. Yeah, no, it doesn't.
Sucks.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Sadly, quite a predicament. Pan is Robo 2, oh, so much better to clean up. I mean, I will say that in Python there are certain things that to me are questionable, but once again, it works perfectly fine. What bothers me more is programming languages that don't work, not the ones that work imperfectly. I have gotten myself into quite a pickle.
What did you say there?
Well, yeah, but eventually I will need to leave. Oh shit. Oh, this can work actually.
Why'd you ever go there? And
Ah, damn it. So close.
this way wasn't there was really dead or alive when you're in the portal zone. Oh god. Oh, I'm dead. I don't want to kill me.
You said you make graphics library, like a 3D library of shaders. No, not quite. Well, I mean, it could handle 3D graphics, that was part of it. But yeah, Vulkan... It was more of a Vulkan graphical library, because it wasn't specifically tailor made for 3D. 3D was just a feature on top. It also had like... I also had a lot of fun with DLLs, that was a big deal over there. Made my own maths and assembly, you know. It was pretty much just for fun. I enjoyed it.
What is happening?
Basically,
Where
it
do I
was
go?
meant to be like a modular engine for making applications, and the idea was that you would just...
Oh my
Oh, that was so close.
No way.
The idea was that you would start the engine, and then you could link whatever you wanted to it during runtime, despite it being precompiled. I had a lot of fun. And yeah, C worked just fine. Oh shit.
Hi. I'm dead. I'm not dead. I'm dead.
Well, that would be a great video. I'll make a video on 3D graphics library and see. You know what's mainly stopping me, Maxirata? It would take such a long time to explain. All of the things that I find the most fun, that I found most fun about that project, it would take me such a long time to even like explain the context for them. So for example, DLL linking, undeniably one of the best parts. When it comes to DLL linking, in order to explain to, because I imagine you yourself are really interested in programming and, you know, you're interested in computer science. Unfortunately, most people who view my channel are not, because most people came here for either maths or physics. So, in order to explain what a DLL even is, I would first need to explain linking. Or actually, I would need to explain precompiled libraries, because linking itself is kind of simple, just, you can explain it as, I don't know, just amending a file, whatever. So you would need to explain precompiled libraries in order to explain why DLL is incredible, because you're not just adding a file on top, you actually need to link the binaries together. Then you would need to explain how to make the access points, so function pointers, and also how the linking process can find the appropriate functions, because when you precompile stuff, the locations change, etc, etc, etc. I would love to make a video on it, but undeniably, most of the viewers of this channel would absolutely not care in the slightest. I know what we need.
Stop blowing up actual components because we should win soon, I think.
Alright. You say, well, let's mount this one then.
Yeah. damn it. I mean, you're 1 minute away. I'm maybe 1 minute away with combat. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but still.
And explain that I would really blow on YouTube with programmers. You know, once we're done with this round, I can actually show you my engine. Hold on. It's a bit old and it doesn't exactly. Remember what I said about most of the time it's not the code that's broken, it's the programmer? Well, in the case of my engine, it very much was the programmer because because I have a couple memory leaks. But Cassie, how about just 3 more rounds, huh?
Okay.
Alright.
Fair enough.
Because we've been at it for quite a long time.
Yeah. That's fine. Okay. Dying in the morning. Oh?
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm long
Maybe.
dead. I've been jumping the entire time dead. Also, the print is almost finished. Oh, I have no idea where I am. Oh, that's where I am! Oh no! No, 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 no! Get me back! Get me back! No, no, that was a good spot! Oh!
Where were you, man?
I was near the end.
Oh. Damn.
When I placed on the portal, I genuinely thought that was the first connection, so I was not expecting it to actually lead someone.
That's fancy. Right.
Oh my goodness, there we go.
You got there, okay, GG.
The 3 rounds, see, told you.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not doing you.
Alright, that was the drink
Alright.
break. Time to get back to the grindstone. So, first things first, the engine.
Back to grinding.
I'm pretty sure I'm not logged in, but it's fine because, well, yeah, I'm not. Split. And then users, and then this one, and then MPT multi-up. So, as you can see, I do enjoy C. 90% of it was written in C, in fact. 0.1% was in Objective-C, but that's simply because of the prefix, suffix I've used for a single file, and GitHub got a bit confused. But when it comes to DLLs, MPT DLL, there we go. Basically, the way I handled them was, I had this, kind of a descriptor for the file, and this was for file loading. Oh, that was another fun thing. Okay, you know what, DLL, the main DLL method I'm just gonna skip for now, I'm gonna get to this one because it's more fun. Basically, the way it worked is, you had an engine that you would just start. Now this was supposed to be an application engine, general application engine. Then let's say you wanted to load in some kind of file, like a vector graphics file. So file representing, I don't know, a cube, whatever, something like that. Doesn't matter. Let's say you wanted to load that kind of file with different file types. So .wtf, some kind of file. Now, in order to see if the engine can load it in, it had its own list of file types that it could access. However, the way it would actually access them is there was a folder full of different DLLs for each different file type, and then if the file type was on the list, that means it would just access the DLL from the folder, it would take the function used for loading out of the DLL, it would then take this function, it would pop in the file into the function, and then it would convert it into a kind of normalized internal structure. And the neat part about this is it means that you can start your engine and your engine that can display an image, for example. Then you can have a file that can load you PNGs. But then you have another file that is a JPEG. And in order to load that JPEG in, you can then add in a DLL for loading JPEGs. And then that can load in the JPEG file. So it's really confusing now that I say it out loud, but the point is, your engine could learn how, your application could learn how to load in a file without you even needing to turn it off, which is an extremely big deal for precompiled languages. It did make it ever so slightly inefficient, but that's why, but loading it this way with like external functions from TLLs is absolutely fine when it's a one-off function, so only for loading and such. If it's in a loop, that's not great, but fortunately I will use a loop. Anyway, what do we have now? You know what? I will be right back. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Let's get to work then. Let me just turn on the camera. Make sure we can capture everything. And anyone remember what we were doing? Wait, hold on, I'm not really plugged in, I have my headphones on, so can't see if it's saying something, I couldn't hear it. Now I'm back. Alright.
Meow.
Oh, it is comically dark. Obviously, that's how a lack of light works. Splendid. There are a couple things we can do at this point. Because we've got the lights. We absolutely do not have the focus though, do we? There we go, brilliant. We've got the lights that we're meant to.
To me.
Shut up! Okay. We can set up a semi-more permanent kind of audio system. Because basically I do have like one Raspberry Pi Zero that's meant to be my development one, and then I have another one that's meant to be my actual full design one. And in this case, now there are a lot of things, because another thing I could do is the plates. Okay, quick list. Audio system, plates, LEDs, because I'm still yet to solder them. So that's another one. Actually no, I think that's it. I think these three things is all we have to do. Alright.
How about the cigarette?
The cigarette! Oh yeah, that is true. No, we still, you know what, I'm gonna make myself another cup of coffee because I feel like I'm gonna need it. I completely forgot about the cigarette.
Meow. Well, that's why you have me.
Yeah, thank goodness.
I'm on other things.
Okay. Let me have a quick thunk. Well, how this will go. We have this line right here. This line is meant to be. We'll later on add in a cable running all the way from the top all the way to the bottom. If we do it this way. If we install a button, this is tricky. This is quite rather tricky, not gonna lie. Alright, first things first. First matter of business. Second matter of business, we need to design the filter for the cigarette.
What's the old matter of business?
above water as well. Okay, let me start. SolidWorks in the background. There's so many things on my desk.
There's some things under your desk.
You're calling yourself a thing.
You know how it is.
Alright. I'm just gonna make myself some vitamins because I'm not saying my diet has been lacking, but just in case it has been.
You are lacking nickel.
Okay, here's what we need for the cigarette. This button, we basically need to make a filter at the bottom, and we need to somehow work this button in. Now, the tricky bit comes in the form of the fact that this all has to be pretty tiny, which means we need the button to be like pressing against the battery at the top. Oh, which way does it separate? It separates this way, which means we could have it like this, maybe? This is really tricky. Hi Turbulence, what's going on? A long story. I'm making a cigarette. An electrical cigarette. Quasar's playing Silk Song. I just got notification. I just got notification for it.
Of course he is.
Okay, this
Meow.
could be pretty good. If we run it from the back like this... Well, easy is certainly not how I would describe it. But it might not be impossible. I genuinely don't exactly know how I'm gonna fit it all together. It's not a joke. I am... In my head, I keep running through different designs this could have. The first thing it was someone typing the name of Fear Long Words. We still name it that, even if you have a heart attack. Yeah.
Heart attack? Actually, I have a pretty soft attack. Well.
Hold on, because... Where's my moderators when I need them? Why aren't my moderators doing anything?
The moderators.
My moderators. I should call them my lack of moderation. Haters. Shut up. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to make sense. The point is, where's my cigarette file?
There's no blue rose. Come below. That helps.
You see, you sound very muted on Discord, and so when you say shit like that, I need to actually focus on what you're saying in order to understand you.
I'm sorry, I can't.
And so,
Hold it closer.
and so then I need to like actively think about what you're saying, and then I realize what you're saying, and I just can't ignore it.
I didn't say a joke. Or anything, what?
Okay, so I think I might have misunderstood what you just said. What did you say?
What did... I said I can become blue. Like the moderator blue, you know?
Oh, okay, yeah.
What
then
did you, what do you think I said?
I thought you said blow.
Oh.
Okay, this is something.
You just keep putting words in my mouth. You know?
Shut up.
And I was having to put something else there, you know?
I am here, sire. No, I mean Discord moderators.
Oh, this from... No, I don't want it. Fuck that.
Hold on, I have streamer mode.
Fuck your
enabled.
moderator.
I mean, if you say so, fine. Not many people pay for that. Why does that look like a cigarette? You see turbulence!
I wonder.
You see turbulence.
I think he's onto something.
I just happen to be making a cigarette. Okay. Right here, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to... No, this is so difficult. Genuinely. I'm gonna need to separate off into so many parts. Oh, this is ridiculous. I have one
Yeah,
idea on how to do it. But it's not a good one.
What's the idea?
Basically, I could delete this. There we go. Then right here, this part should be fine-ish, although I don't know if I'm gonna fit in a button. I'm just going to make a hole like this.
No.
Hold on, because I had to disable my Discord streamer mode, and instantly I got pinged. That was quick. There we are. Alright.
Are you a streamer mode liker?
No, I just had to disable it because I had to handle someone on Discord. Should I ban them or should I curse them, Katsi? What should I do?
Whomst.
Alu Infinite.
What the fuck they gonna do?
You know what? I agree. I feel like these are pretty solid choices, aren't they? Everyone, let's look at the wheel! What will we get? Oh, you lucky bastard!
Did he run on Mercy? That should spin away anything. There should be Mercy on the wheel even, that's bullshit.
Congratulations. You live to see another day. Right, splendid. So now all we need is just to cut a hole on the side. Just absolutely pray and hope that I'm gonna be able to fit the button in there. Why am I doing this? Why am I making this cutscene?
The cigarette.
Yeah. Why am I doing this?
And not use a nicotine.
This is so much effort, genuinely. This will be more difficult to do than the RGB LPs. Give me the midpoint, come on. Oh, piss off. Give me this. The origin, but cool. Yup.
Who the fuck is Halo again? There's too many of them.
I agree, there's
Hello, there is
just too many of them.
There is
Alu,
the
Ali, all of them spelled
Chinese guy,
differently.
Ali. It's so too many. I don't know what funny is who. You know,
Basic channel.
very confused me. Yeah, do you want to ban them for like the thing they said about Islam, or is it anything else?
I got complaints, and I don't like getting complaints.
Mm.
I don't like to
I
be
see.
bothered.
Yeah.
So that's why I spin the wheel. Alright, first things first, you are clearly in the wrong spot. There we go.
How old are these fucking goobers? Are they like? Well, they have a clippy profile because they can't be very smart to begin with, you know.
I don't like kids. In general.
Yeah.
Why do children have to exist?
What?
Stop making them! Honestly.
Mm. Making children gross. The sex with men should be the only legal sex.
There's a number of days, most of the 1000. Would there be anything special at day 1000? I get that question a lot, and I'm still not certain. Actually, you know what's funny? I do have a camera for Raspberry Pi Zero, which means fitting in the mask to stream from it genuinely would be so easy by now, because I already have a microphone, I will have speakers, and
Oh.
like microphone and speakers I've already tested. The camera is designed for it, so that should be easy. It can connect to the internet. I can just genuinely stream from the Pico. No, not Pico on Zero.
Yeah.
That would be a banger live stream.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Not bad. I hope we'll be able to fit the button in though. Now you might be wondering, everyone watching, how we're gonna secure the button. Well, that's the neat part. We won't secure the button anyway. This is tricky because if I make a test cigarette, I don't want to make a test cigarette. Now that's not because the test cigarette will be expensive to make or anything, only because I can't be bothered to. This will take a lot of effort. So I would just rather get it right in first try. The problem is we need to print the top part of white filament and the bottom part out of orange filament. And switching filaments is a tad bit of a chore. So what I think we could do...
I think it's cheaper to, might be at this point, to just roll a fucking cigarette out of money.
No, what? No, a cigarette one like this is not expensive. Okay, 3 of these LEDs would be maybe a penny. Maybe. All of the PETG, that would be like maybe 5 pennies. A button, once again, almost a penny. This is comically cheap. Like, the batteries would be the most expensive bit. That's true. Because the batteries would be like 20 cents each. I don't remember exactly how expensive they were, but something like that.
Oh, yeah.
What is this again? I forgot. What is what again? The thing I'm making. It is a cigarette. It is in fact. I am making a cigarette. I do believe we had this end bit somewhere ready, but I don't remember where it is. If I look around, I imagine I can find it. Oh, we could use the RGB dial. That would be comical. Absolutely comical and idiotic. Because then we need to somehow control it.
Good, right?
If we wanted to use the RGB dial, we need some kind of way to like So, no. Damn it. I could have sworn I've had it somewhere. I'm so exhausted. I am so completely and utterly exhausted.
Uh,
No, I find
Yeah.
it printed. So we can't work on the cigarette yet. Because in order to work on the cigarette, we need the print to finish.
how far is it?
How far is the print? Have a look. Make a jump scare. It's 23 minutes away.
Mostly done. Looking good.
Not the sideways make it.
Yeah, it's fine. We need to find out of sideways sitting make it independence of pose.
I'm gonna commission something else from Almaty soon. This Sunday, as I mentioned.
Something else worries me a little bit.
It will be safe for work, don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry about exhaustion, I believe you'll make it. I mean, obviously
I
I'll
don't
make
doubt
it.
you.
Obviously I'll either make it or die trying, but I genuinely am exhausted. I might need to go for a walk.
Oh, are you making? I know what you're making.
What am I making?
You're making a fucking. That one picture of Markiplier by you.
What? But wait, when you say that one picture of Markiplier, which picture are you talking about?
Yeah, that one. Exactly that one that you're thinking about.
I'm genuinely not thinking of. Which picture are you thinking about?
The sideways one, you know.
Hold on. Oh, you mean the charity OnlyFans one?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind it. Oh yeah, with the bottle of champagne. Right. I mean, I wouldn't exactly mind. I can do a pic like you.
You're gonna put Ryan Gosling's face in the reflection in champagne.
Would be fun actually. But no. No. It's going to be something different. You will see. Just wait and see.
Okay.
I might give a sneak peek on the Patreon voice chat after the stream.
Okay. Sneak peek.
Yeah. You know what, everyone? I think that'll be it. I need to go for a walk. I'm exhausted. I'm just straight up exhausted.
Go for a walk.
We did do a fair bit of work today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did a lot.
Actually,
Alright,
now that I
what
think
do you think
now that I think about it, we didn't actually do all that much. I'm still gonna need to reprint
What
the
did we do
shoulders.
again?
Well,
We.
we did.
But I never said with fucking UV lights.
Yeah, I did set up the lights. I printed the
You mean
mask.
the pad?
The mask hasn't failed.
Sorry, pad.
The mask print hasn't failed yet, which honestly I am impressed. I was full on
Yeah, so we have
expecting.
another mask.
I was full on expecting it to break by now. I think I'm going. I cannot. I just simply cannot. I might do another live stream in a couple of hours. I'll see. I need to go for a walk. I need to go get some fresh air. And for now, I suppose that'll be it. Thank you, everyone, so much for watching, and have a great day.